create a tracker from a curriculum app inside Mastery Connect, go to app.masteryconnect.com and sign in. Once you click Home, come to Trackers. Once on Trackers, you will create a tracker. You will come down to Curriculum Map, Shared with Me, and find a tracker for the map that you want to create. In this case, we're going to do Algebra 1. It's already named and titled for me. It already has the Math Algebra 1 standards unpacked for me and listed. So I'm going to call this Algebra 1 6 period. And then I'm going to come down here and you're going to have the option to import students from Synergy. So you would click that, you would match it to your gradebook, and then you would come down to create the tracker. The benchmarks will be assigned to you automatically.